tell you a bit about the chair. The chair is a Maxnomic this year. This is like, it used to be the $300 here gaming chair. Let's see if I can actually find that one. It still exists. This is the chair that you'll see in like esports. You know, esports, big esports events. You'll see these chairs. Normally they'll be branded with like the gaming team or whatever. The chair itself is amazing. It's been the highest quality chair build that I've gotten ever, and I've bought a couple of different like gaming oriented chairs over time, but this one is solid. It can kick back. Actually, I'm trying to show you. Here, we'll go to the other camera. I'll try to show you. I can kick it back. I can lock it in, relax like this, and watch something on the screen. Normally I'll watch like a Twitch stream or something, you know, and I can sit back here. Sometimes it's so comfortable, I'll fall asleep, you know, in the middle of the day, and I didn't really mean to. These arms are adjustable up and down. The seat itself is adjustable up and down. I'm not going to show you the base of it because my cat actually ripped off a bunch of the leather that I'm sitting on, so you can't really see it, but it's actually kind of tore up. But it survived that. It's still comfortable, despite it being tore up, so it might not look pretty on the bottom anymore, but it's still a really amazingly sturdy chair. It has been the best gaming chair I've bought. Mostly though, I bought it to be ergonomic. It really helps. There's a lumbar support pillow. I'll just get up and show you. Right here, this pillow is extremely important, and you wouldn't think so, but it helps keep your back, you know, conformed properly so you can get good posture. And that's really important when you're going to spend all day sitting down here working, which is pretty much what I do. So it's very ergonomic, which is great. It's very adjustable. It's very quality. It's very sturdy build. Like the wheels, the base are very strong. Here is I actually have the listing up right now. You can still get this thing. It's still around. This is it right here. It looks like it's not soft. It actually is though. It's quite like my butt never gets sore sitting on this thing. The arms are adjustable. You can see that base there, right down here. It's steel. This is like the real deal. This isn't like shiny plastic. This is like real stuff. It's nothing is gonna break, and nothing has at least broken on this chair. In fact, I've actually considered modifying the chair to put some like joysticks on the sides so that I could like fly ships in Star Citizen. I didn't end up doing that though because it'd be really expensive, but I was greatly considering it. Just did not have the money to do it. If you're looking for a chair, I would recommend it, but you've got to only if you have the budget. You can probably you're paying for quality on this one. You really are. Like this chair will be running on its 6 or 7 year mark, and like the only thing that's wearing on it is just the cat like tearing up the leather. Other than that, it's probably going to go to 10, 12, 13 years. But when I bought it, it was $300. Now it's quite past that price. So it's almost double that price. That being said, if you want a chair and then you're never gonna have to buy a gaming chair ever again, I could say this could be the one. So in case you're curious, it's also kind of cool because these are the ones that the pro esports gamers use. So you can feel like you're one of them, you know. Maxnomic is a solid brand. I mean, there's a reason why the chair is more expensive, and it's because you're paying for a really quality product, and that is the case. I can attest to that being the case. You can get some that are like sometimes branded with different esports teams and stuff. They probably have to pay more for that though. The Maxnomic